We will go over a few variations of the rosette tie. The first step is always to line up the sash with the back of the chair and tie a knot. Tie a tight mini bow, being sure to keep the loops of the bow tiny. Then take the tails of the sash and make 2 loops. Knot those loops together and pull tight. Locate the edges of each of the loops and pull apart to fluff into a rosette. If you don't want hanging tails of fabric, you can create a bigger rosette. To do this, grab the tails of the remaining fabric and create 2 additional loops. Knot these loops together. In total, you will have 6 loops of fabric. To complete the rosette, locate the edges of the new loops and pull apart the fabric to fluff. Then tuck the ends of the fabric behind the knots to finish the look. If you'd like the rosette bow to be on the side of your chair, simply tie it as normal, then shift it over to the side with one hand, using your other hand to stabilize the chair.